Proprietary Chinese medicine is a long-established industry in Hong Kong. With technological advances, this traditional industry has to keep up with the times and introduce various automated technological features. This proprietary Chinese medicine manufacturer used to have all external packing done manually. Due to the repetitive and boring nature of the job and the remote location of the factory, it is hard to attract new talent. In view of this, the company commissioned the Hong Kong Productivity Council to help it design a smart external packaging production line.
Our best-selling baby series are packaged in vials and put in boxes of different colors and different shapes, including a fan shape and a square shape. The external packaging production line we developed with HKPC meets all our requirements.
This external packaging production line has multiple computer vision systems to monitor the packaging process and minimize errors. The robotic arm is responsible for picking up boxes, inserting the bottles and instructions, closing the boxes and wrapping them in plastic. The whole process is automated and has met with GMP standards for proprietary Chinese medicine.
Since we are a GMP factory, we have to ensure that the quantities in our products are identical. A visual system is used to help us monitor the different steps.
The company has enhanced its production efficiency. In the future, it hopes to work with the HKPC to introduce more smart technology into different production lines.
This production line has greatly enhanced our efficiency. We're actively developing other production lines with HKPC and trying to explore what else can be more intelligent.